What's the meaning of continental shelf? Continental shelf. Continental shelf.
Continental shelf. Continental shelf. The continental shelf is a relatively shallow and gently sloping underwater platform that extends from the edge of a continent to a drop-off point called the shelf break. It can vary greatly in width, from a few kilometers to hundreds of kilometers. The continental shelf is important because it is a major source of mineral resources, oil, and natural gas. It also supports a diverse range of marine life, including fish, shellfish, and other organisms that are important for human consumption. In conclusion, the continental shelf is a significant feature of the Earth's surface that has both economic and ecological importance.